You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is public report, you know what I mean? Representing for you. I don't know the things say, family me say, you know what I mean? And well, I don't know, but I just have to appreciate the fact that when you did it for me 24/7, sharing, liking, commenting, and you know what I mean? Because family stick out with family, and that me say right also. You know what I mean, the public report family. Yeah, more and big up everybody. You know what I mean? I don't want to just say this a person and that the person, big up everybody. All right, that movie I name Jealous Girlfriend. Experiment again. You don't know anything go. One big up Marika Spence, one big up Pinky, you know what I mean? Ashley, you know what I mean? And where's that movie again? Dre from Maggie Films. They don't know anything go. So, you know what I mean? We are putting some work and we are make work become, more than just work, just a passion and getting stuff out. Cause we enjoy what we do. You know what I mean? Even though it can pressure at, can be pressure at times, but we still do it thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, once again, thanks to everybody who support this movement. Yeah. This one is called Jealous Girlfriend. All right. So, me go stop nice now and make you watch a movie. Right? Watch it.
You subscribe yet?
Who that?
Ashley,
Oh, what going?
Marika did it?
No, she gonna supermarket to come back.
Oh, may I wait till she come? You
The
can't
door
come?
open, come in. You good?
Yeah, you?
Just there to some work, you know what I mean?
Okay. So, I wish you gonna shop down, boy.
I don't know, maybe some juice and something, the regular thing now.
It's a long time I want to talk to you, but true, me can't get to talk to you.
What do you mean by that?
True, she always there now. I can't get to talk to you, now I'm to you. Yeah, move so.
Come on, Ashley, man. A joke you make, hold on. You serious? Are you a friend, you know?
No, me not make no
Listen,
joke.
are you a friend? So if you
Friend,
are your best friend to be exact.
she lucky at me, you know. She can't go on. You alright, you know.
Your man will live it right now. We're not happy if you look as a rub me now.
That the man there. That the man there, people man. You know.
Jesus
People
Christ,
man.
Hear me say. Never make this act like this never happen. Because me now this is my woman. Especially in a fear house. No. This is a house, a silly house. You think it makes sense, yeah? So what me go do? Me go to the shower and thing. You go stay or you go?
Me not stay no, because I don't come to see her. I come to see her you want. Yeah.
Me?
Yes.
Jesus Christ, man.
I'm glad that you one day.
Yeah. No. Don't.
Stop it.
Are you for tapping? Look more, yeah? Later on. I'm going to shower, yeah?
You look nice. I like you.
No man, rain just a fall so.
Why am I tell about it?
Alright, can go and get a wash.
Half hour.
Your place look good though, girl.
Thank you.
Happy face, girl. Anyways, tell me something. How life a treat you?
Life a treat me good so far. I'm comfortable when I'm there, you know?
So, like when your father gone to prison, how you manage?
To tell you the truth, that's my problem right now. Because ever since my father gone to jail, mother run away. I don't know where woman dey. I talk to my father now and then, but I just really want him to come out, but I don't like him to come out for now.
My friend, just cheer up yourself. Everything will be alright, so you don't feel stress out yourself. You understand? Cheer up yourself, man. So, I want to can cook it for me and you.
Cook one for me, Patricia. You know my yard?
You're lucky.
Me lucky. Hey, one thing with you actually, you know, anytime when you come to me, I don't know what's something for you. When you belly long, and you throat long.
Meow.
Ashley.
This a girl come up and compare me. Anyways, I'm just happy for you. Me. I like this for you. This a new place, you look good, girl. Must can come sleep on one night, yeah.
Sleep where?
Eh?
Sleep where?
No,
No, you can't sleep here.
why?
No, you just cannot sleep here.
I change for me already.
No, I change for you, but your place not big enough for care of people.
You mean by place not big enough? Girl, look here.
We want to sleep on the counter?
Look here. Put on one little mattress right there, so I'm good.
But I don't have no extra mattress. So I'm sorry for
Watch
you.
out. I'll aki your pantry.
Yeah, they everywhere. Yeah, no miss no at all. Not true.
I'll aki the girl a pantry.
No, sir, you're not normal. This not safe.
Anyways, my friend, just go and take care of yourself.
Yeah, I'm glad that you come up here, come look for the place and stuff.
You go and check out next day. So now come here, go away. Can't get the room here.
You must have mad. Come, Patricia, top a ramping man. You love them too much, you can't get some. You must have crazy.
That's why I have to love me, you know, you. Here's a room, man. What's some of this stuff? How about that?
Rum. I creep and we creep up party.
So I make you run me down, so.
What do you mean?
Like you have a madness in like your father.
Why would I say a thing like that? And Patricia?
As the way you run me down, you look like, say, you're mad. You're unsound mind.
I can't believe you said that to me. Anyway, go on.
Not
And then make
do.
a room, make a turn over for my step, and next thing then go say me a walking on my father's footstep. Yeah?
And that them a go say.
You try to walk straight, go down on the road.
Take it easy, yeah?
Yeah, you take it easy. Now make a room turn you over.
Take it easy, cause
Later.
later.
Did you hear?
Yeah. Oh, how are you? You never know somebody there?
No, sir, I'm not gonna say that.
You alright? I'm to you.
No.
Stop doing that, man. You say nothing when you know say or something. You now walk down with your face along down the ground. Your face crawl come straight around on the ground. And you say nothing happen.
No, I'm good.
What you think about?
I think about my father.
Your father? Come on, man. Your father they are jail and must serve in time. You think serve in time now? If you not serve in time, you know, we don't know what you gonna expect. What you gonna do? Try to link him up every day and stress out yourself. Live, man. Get your life together. You know, that's why I keep on telling you, boy, what you want to do. But you can't do every day. The more time you're there every day with free time or time you think about things where you shoulda and coulda and do. Think about something now. So maybe I do some online something. You know, you just there every day I cook. What if you want more restaurant? You know?
Me think about it.
But how long you think about it now? Eh?
About 1 3 months.
Yeah, and it come like say there's no answer. Like I got one place.
I want part.
Never ending. But me hear out this talk, I want you out there talk.
Oh, me and Patricia.
Oh, Patricia? You know, for some reason, feel like you're Ashley out there.
No, so why you feel say me and Ashley?
I would say I'm here for the phone and talk to Ashley. That's what I say, I think Ashley.
Well, I know me and Ashley did what? They did want to say Ashley?
Me? For what?
Yeah, ask for Ashley. I'm tell you me and who did what they.
Lord Jesus, so I can create an argument. You know what? I'm not about that to you because you're going to make a big stink about certain things when important. What you do that, man?
What me I do?
Alright, so
you
you
ask
say,
me I want me out there, me tell you. I still ask somebody else.
you get the grocery them, sweetheart? Huh?
Yeah, me get the grocery them.
Did you get the white bread? Let me ask if I get.
Yes, me get it.
Did you get the tuna?
Yes.
Did you get the cheese?
Cheese in the fridge.
Cheese in the fridge.
Yes.
You know what I'm thinking? Do you
You
think
want
what I'm
a
thinking?
sandwich?
No! Bingo, bingo. A nice tuna sandwich with cheese in the middle. Mayonnaise out there though?
Mayonnaise.
You think mayonnaise out there?
Yeah, mayonnaise out there.
Some mayonnaise, man. Ah boy, I'm supposed to go start out some stuff on the road today, but I just can't bother. Me there just take a shower and you know something you take a shower you just want to sleep. Yeah, so just that I go on. See if you come in your bed.
No, I'm not afraid to
So we can just over there so like from you come in your room you still over there something just something wrong. Come catch us someone. Make it afraid. You know do you hear back again?
Soon.
See the route up there, I know your style. Nobody take out this so fast though. You take a whole day to put it in. It's supposed to last a month. Not true?
Me have fuzzy hair, so now I'm going to last
You have fuzzy hair. So unfuzzy the hair then.
I'm going to unfuzzy.
You know if you unfuzzy it?
No.
Trim me up. You trim me off. You imagine you with a ball head.
Me head look so it go fit me.
Go fit you. I know easy at all no. See if people like no, what about you?
You give me one look up at I bed.
Me give you a look up at I bed.
Is that
It's alright, you know what? No problem, no problem, wait, because you want you not that Later. Yeah?
So, you nobody want a sandwich?
Later.
Later.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night,
Babe.
wanna dance to the light, pull
Babe.
stars from the sky just two hearts.
You could wash up a plate then.
Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top.
No man are losing. I don't know what is feeling.
Two hearts running wild.
Oh, I live in one house and one somebody else must. I forget ever at some point. Hello. Girl, my dear. Best friend, to tell you the truth. My dear, I wash up some plate, you know. Because it look like a me and live here. I may wanna eat out I plate them. Because I told somebody can live in a one house and want somebody have to wash, cook, clean, everything. That no fear. I love what things say. Ain't good. You know what me I talk about, yeah, ain't good in yeah. The thing there. Or is mother gone already? You think mother sit down with him? Because he's too lazy man. Fear is fear. You told live in a one house. Come on. You know help me out. If me tidy the room, I can wash the plate them. Well, no, I know. I'm gonna try to talk to him again about the laziness. Can't take it. No one can do so much something.
Babe,
Yeah? Oh, what happened, babe?
one cup.
Me soon call her back here. Yeah, later.
One cup when what happened? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, I can't with 4. You know, it's eating good when you run us on the fan and blowing your ears, you know, it's kind of rough. So what happened to you today? You just hot and sexy up, so. Hmm?
I don't know.
You know, some feel say, yeah, I feel say if it go somewhere today.
Where you want to go?
Just want me if it go somewhere like, you know, maybe on the beach or something, or stretch our foot and, you know. So what time you have to call in for work?
I can't call you now.
You can call in? Alright, what you do now? Call them and tell them say you're going to be a little late today.
Alright.
Yeah? Alright. Don't forget me, call
Me
them.
not forget. As me don't wash the plate, then I call them.
Yeah, but me brief them then.
Looking at top drawer.
In them, I look, I'm not see nothing.
Then me have to go wash.
I babe, me can't bother.
Check in the hall. Someday I settee.
Nice city.
Yeah, check.
Alright.
You find on?
Yeah. You call the people yet?
Me I'll do that now. Give me a minute.
You know, I like when I procrastinate, not sure?
Oh, Jesus. Hello? Yeah, boss. Yes, sir. I'm gonna be a little bit late today because I have some stuff to sort out, some important documents. Yeah. Maybe me not come. Depends on how long it take for the arrange. Alright. Later. Yeah, thanks.
Come and share something.
May I come? Oh, God.
You coming now?
May I come?
Look. It's the man something and stuff me I try to invest in the cars. You see, if you know, take charge right now. And listen, remember about the stuff that we say want order, but it's just
Me just never have it on my mind. You have a list of thing them still? Alright. Can you see them as something here? As stuff from Afi? Capitalize on no. You understand? Me here on the phone and we not talk to.
My best friend really that actually.
You wanna always pass by sometime when you're there?
Pass by sometime in the year.
Yeah man, she come by here sometime and I want to drink some juice and say she thirsty and something then. So me get her some juice and thing. Well you know me already, me there at work. Cause online thing me deal with. So I'm really business with she and something, but she have a lot to talk about. Always. Why is that though? I see a lot of people love chat.
We mean she have a lot to talk about. When you still have that?
Me there so. Sometimes she dey over there so. Sometimes she come here so, like you know she want get, you know me understand what she want to say closer. But me there sometimes I just say yeah, I go bathe and thing. And then one day me a bathe and me she knock the door and me I say, me soon come. You know, and then she go back out and tell me that she gone. I think I same time when you call on the phone and thing, but that was it. Nothing serious. That was.
No.
Well, first thing first, you trust me?
Yeah, I trust you.
Oh. Cause you said, I mean, know if you, let me know. I don't know normal. You understand? I want to stop shaking. What, babe, want to? What, I want really going.
No, I'm good.
You sure? I'm gonna be there and see if I can get myself ready if I go out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with you.
I don't like them something, yeah. I don't like what you think. You know, don't beg to the best friend, you know, because your best friend is the best friend.
What am I beg to there for?
Because for some reason, I just feel like feel like she up to something. But if she up to something, that means they don't trust me. Right?
Nothing like that. Babe, me soon get your juice for you here. Then come.
Hello.
Hello. Daddy, good morning.
What? John, what my daughter? Where you man?
No, over there.
There.
Yeah.
John, you know, say, we want to visit Friday, because I love to come like me and man things, you know. There are some proper food come to me, man.
Yeah, man, I make shopping for you this weekend, can come.
Make sure, man, I'm tired of your food, you know, man.
I know, man. I'm go pay somebody for carry food over there some days.
Yeah, Pierre. John, we're going to talk, you know.
No, Daddy, I
Tired of your food,
serious
man.
something. But
So, what go on? You say now, you show me up how you deal with.
Daddy, I want to talk to you about something.
Yeah, we talk fast, you know, because I remember say I sneak call you, say no, man, I can't make him and them know where I'm going. So, you have to just make it fast. Where you dealing?
Daddy, me have one best friend where every time she come over my yard, she have fishy around me, man, or something. I mean, I like it.
She have fishy around?
Yeah.
Are your friend?
Yeah, my friend.
Yo, you know, say, to tell you the truth, you know, say, I don't have them friend thing, you know, because them thing land me, I say, you know.
I know, Daddy.
No, man, you can't trust friend around, you know, involve friend in your relationship. You understand me? So,
Yeah.
so how it go?
Boy, I don't know. Every time she come over here, she asks for him and she touch him and I and I laugh up with him. I don't like that style there. I'll ask him for money to buy drinks.
So hold on there. You think there's something going on?
Yeah.
They don't know what to do already, man.
I don't know what to do, Daddy.
Eh?
What to do?
What do you mean by what you have to do? Look here. Sure. I told me love up certain things because me there, so now, you know. If we did take up things in the hand early, you know, man, they wouldn't pretty, you know. When you do your thing, you do it discreet, man, you can't make them, yo, remember me tell you, you can't get a whole no, grammar zone or no, you can't tip or deal with the case.
Yeah, me can get some from one farmer.
No, clear people, man. When people clear them, man, and mash up their life, man. Zane?
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, man. Something will nothing happen, man. If we take up things early, I wouldn't dare, man, actually, me wait. No wait, man, no wait. Remember me tell you. Zane?
Alright, Daddy, now
Do what you have to do, man, and so forth.
Yes, Daddy.
Just discreet now. Make sure say you do your thing and bad and you know. You hear me say?
Yeah, man, Daddy.
A piece of advice me again. Make sure nobody no nothing where I go on. Alright?
Yes, Daddy.
You want me still, you know. Me have to go sit there because some of them boy, place me trust them, you know, take time talk. Anyway, you want deal with things for me, man. I'm tired of food, you know, man.
Yeah, man. Weekend, me
just
say.
food, man. Just try a way and come link me, man.
Alright, Daddy.
Glad to see you.
Weekend.
Alright?
Yeah.
Maybe we talk more, man. But no waste of time, man. Deal with that.
Yeah, Daddy, me will do it.
Alright. So look more.
Yeah.
Cool.
Later. Babe, me I come with the juice, yeah?
Girl, I not come to work today.
Come in. I will talk. Carry any slippers.
Oh, I'm dear girl. I wanna see you.
Girl, you know, so if I not feel like you come to work, I never come to work. Anyway, go in the house at all. Go sit down.
So what you say now?
I'm tell her, say, girl. You sit down at the workplace then? And take it for one survey. Yeah? So if me feel like me want to take a day, I'm going to take a day. I not make sick of nobody. I go work every day and stress out myself and feel uncomfortable. You understand? So, I not say you have to do the same thing, you know, because pussy and dog not have the same luck. You hear me say?
No, girl, I not do the same thing, girl. I know how boss stay. She saying like you do.
Like who?
You?
Basket like, well, that a film business if you like me, you know? But, basket like me. And my choice. If I want to stay home, I stay home. But anyway, how was work today?
It was good. Do me have to do one, you know, go to the store and do me have to do one. So me I come check you and ask if you are going.
Yeah, I'm not sick or nothing. I'm just there, sit down and I relax myself. Because I can't go every day, that's stress out my brain.
So you go sometime. Just relax sometime. I mean.
True.
So how's your day?
How's
The
the
girl
day
you have to look for me so. Because I see you have new vehicle out there, me ask you. You know, so me talk anything.
Yeah, we talk about everything. That's none of your business. We talk about girl stuff and what we do and whatsoever. But me and my man business, me and I talk about that. You're not supposed to know about that.
Alright. Sorry if you ask us still, but just because I see vehicle out there, I say me ask.
Love people business. You're not change. But anyway, we come over here because nothing there for eat, you know. And nothing there for
I not come over here for food nor nothing, girl. I say me I come link you say you're good. You say you're good, so I just, you know?
Yeah.
So gone.
Go on now.
Girl,
Oh.
you got to tell her this year. Bloody, you love mix up, not true. Guess who for man left them?
Wait. Hold on. Who for man left them?
Patricia man left her.
Okay.
Yes.
And she a go on so with the man like said there and that.
Man.
TikTok, Facebook, everywhere.
The man left her last night. She
For
not
what?
even know. Eh?
So what?
Maggie. Yes! I don't know about him left him.
This not safe. This one Jesus.
Girl, Me say, wow, pasa. Me say, me love you. I sit up and look at me and laugh.
So you could have called me.
Girl, that is too sweet. Me could have called.
What kind of friend you be?
Girl, so me not can't tell her now.
No, you should have called me when it hot like fire.
Girl, it is too hot. And then me did drink one little special night meantime to say, you know, say, but it feel nice and I watch them and I say, watch ya. Watch you.
Murder.
What I left in. God, what she
Murder.
got there though? What she got do? She come mad out tonight.
This not safe.
Me sorry. Yeah.
Another time, you know, you have to pay attention to your man, you know. Because you don't know who wants your man from who don't want your man.
Watch ya. See feel one day.
Come go on over. That's time for you to go over.
What go on? You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Good.
Alright. Me I lost my way.
I want to go on so. I really want to go on. Where you my best friend now?
What do you mean, you know? Yeah, so the girls, it's friendly, and that's it.
Friendly.
Yeah.
And she a pass and a touch. I want to go on.
Yeah, listen to me. You have some people who have that kind of vibe then where they touch people and talk, and after them think that, where you come with now?
What do you mean I come with?
Babe, where you coming? You tell her to stop take people energy and make it much of a thing. Right now she gone and skip down the road and we there argue. That makes sense? You take for your energy and carry on fluid thing. No man, you necessary man. Come over, that if you can't do. And thing, in a room and wait for your line, you there now, but you know, you come to get drinks.
Yeah, my friend come.
Yeah.
And my friend attack and you come out to get drinks.
Yeah, because you ain't come to get drinks for me and you. But you don't take your drinks for me and you.
Me take a drink.
You take your drinks for yourself and it's only attack and me did there wait. I don't understand you make it sound so. I don't like you put certain vibes on, you know, the day. Look at the day going good. Eh? Much room with their beat. And you just, I don't know. You find every way to make some dopey walk follow you and carry you through that. No man, we need to ease up off of them vibe. You understand me, I say, babe? Well, you look, it look serious. What do you think I'm going? What do you think?
Find out, no,
What do you mean you soon find out? There's nothing happening.
It's okay. There's nothing going on. Nothing going on. It's alright. Make it on this. Ready to go back in the room?
You know, I'm going to do my checking brush. I'm soon far.
No, you're not checking bedroom. I didn't say make me take a day for.
Your boy mash up a day.
Come and mash up a day.
You know, see vibes now. Right now, I don't want to put more on your mouth right now. I don't feel the vibe right now. I don't feel the energy. Like, I just feel like you need to cool out and me cool out and me fall back. Because, you see, the funny thing about it, I don't take your energy. What you try to push for me right now. So just make me cool out, me soon forward. See? You hear me say? Hello?
Yeah, go down our yard.
Go do
Another near bedroom you go. You go down my best friend yard.
So go do what?
Go do what? It's alright. Go on. Go on through the
You
door.
have my video call myself, go straight through?
Go on through the door.
Yeah, so I can run out. I run out.
Go on now.
Later, we talk.
I'll
Yeah?
switch party and sleep tonight. Come here, I'll lock you out there.
That you say?
Yeah, that me I
I
say.
love Joe. Later on, yeah?
Alright, later. You gonna see.
Why? But I'm telling God I'm the truth, you know. See bar life and the bar thing. I don't feel me again, you know. I don't feel me in general, brother, because right now I'm born out, I'm just want to sleep. Rum just do a different kind of vibe. You know what I mean?
Boy, me are you different to me, brother. I mean, I'm a virgin still, but boy, could live for your life, brother. You know, me there I want to say, how you make it out.
Do you mean like?
This time, cause boy,
Now some you forward and can't forward, Joe.
boy, that's it. Cause your life sticky, boy. That is it, boy. Better me go and live some cowboy life, brother.
Right. Yo, believe me. Yo, you see,
Mm-mm.
one thing, you see the girl never kinda can cook
Mm.
and can save little money and them something there. And
Yeah.
she good, like she lovable, brother.
So food all that.
Well, that too. Well, she can cook, brother. She can cook. She can do her thing. You know what I mean? And she's a nice person. Outside
True.
of, when she go on with her antics. You know what I mean? And them things that kind of make me say, yeah, keep her. You know what I mean?
Boy, my friend for your youth, believe me.
Mm-hmm.
Cause I know say, maybe sure you want one little brief for a long time, but me never know how to tell a youth. You see it? Believe me, say, it's like I want to tell her from a long time, and I never know how to tell her, brother.
I could have one now.
Cause I know you don't know, you know. You know, say our father, that prisoner now, for some serious thing.
I mean serious thing, that.
Father no bust up on brother head, man.
Mm-hmm.
One at a time, man. And the brother end up drop out, brother.
What you say to me?
Yeah,
Say I
man.
murder her basically then?
Yeah, I murdered my father that prison. So she
then?
never tell her.
She tell me say her father gone away.
Gone
You know
away.
what I mean? Gone away, like away. That's all. I never
Gone
question
away. Gone away. You see it? But no, see, you never know, brother. Remember a long time I know her, brother. And I know say she have some of the craziness in her genes too.
Jesus.
So be careful, brother. Be careful.
Me
Yes, sir.
don't really feel like she have it.
Alright.
You know what I mean? If for some reason, I hope for the best still. Anything possible, because your friend I tell her things that help me. Yeah.
Alright.
But
That I feel
I
like.
she have the part there.
That I feel like, brother. You have to know like.
By the way, star, make it sound away.
Anyway, still, brother. Road me a touch on no. Father.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yo, as me say.
Cause watch now, I have Kim to go check
What you said to me?
4 o'clock. And Renee have to go check 7.
See.
Angie have to go check 9:30.
What you say? Road life.
Road life, code
Boy
life.
life. Alright, boss. Man, as I respect,
You see
sir.
me?
Yo, as me say, do your thing,
Big up yourself,
Come
man.
in my angle link up for me look bridge anyway,
Do your thing,
You know what I
man.
mean? Because I get the free time, I have to take it.
What?
You understand?
Stick it for you, brother.
Just cool, man.
Hurry up and go in.
Follow easy that time.
Hurry up and go in, boy.
Alright.
Take more.
Yeah.
Can't believe it. I wonder if I don't Ashley had him go. I'll call her. So our phone takes so long to ring. Hello, Ashley.
Yeah,
Are you there?
in my yard.
Come here.
You come back up in your yard?
Yeah, man, come.
Right, me a follow.
Yeah, hurry up here. Not that long, you know.
It not take longer.
Ah.
Yeah.
Finally. Ashley? Lock your door. I say, go and go sit down. Me I carry some drinks. Go and get here. Girl, me a come. You tell me Joseph. She wanna look at me again. And now where's my Joseph? Me a come. See juice here, come on, I crave for some again a big cup. Jesus Christ, you're so clumsy.
Girl, you're going like you never want to give me drinks.
Of course, I want to give you juice, but you never wanted juice. Look there.
Child, if you call me, Papa, you call me up here, you give me drinks, and look where, drinks dash way. How this man?
Me give you juice for your drink here, that's your whole of juice for the ground. Look here.
What
And what the power they say give me now, you know? By the way, my man come down here, yard. Answer me talk.
Where you say where I go? For your man
Yes.
never come out my yard, girl. Never, ever. So I don't know why you asking them a foolish question. See there, you give me drinks and dash. Girl, let's take a pick up on this. Yo,
If you take up a cup and you drop my cup on the ground, you have to go clean up yourself and wash my
You
cup.
say my foolish and come up here for?
Just take up my cup.
What this cup smell, sir?
Obviously, a floor you take care of and wipe my floor this morning with bleach and sanitizer. So what?
No, this not smell good. No, girl, no, this don't smell right.
I wanted to say, girl, what?
This smell like a pipe, and you want pipe me, girl.
Girl, me, look how far me I come from. I really feel that me would want pies in here.
Girl, this not smell like a drinks. It come like a mix drinks and something else, but you know what?
I would never do that to you, girl. I am my friend.
Girl, me I come get me. You know you're upset with spirit in all you.
Later. What happened? Yeah.
Open the door now.
For what?
What you mean say for what?
I'm not telling you out there so you sleep tonight. If you say you drop me to the neck.
Girl, rain a fall, no storm a come. Relax yourself, open the door.
You have to tell me say you love me.
Eh?
You have to tell me say you love me.
So, you question that? Open the door, no, man. I love you.
Okay. You have to tell me say you're not cheat on me.
So why am I not cheat on you? Open the door, man.
Where you come from?
Eh?
Where you come from?
Then my brethren go drink some rum. Warm tea. Relax, no, man.
Who believe you?
No must God believe me and you have to believe me too. Or you God pit me. Open the door, man. Backside, rain a fall, me get wet.
You know say rain a fall all along. You just don't know that? Eh?
Girl, you know like, hey. If you ever get sick tonight, problem, you know. Open the door.
Say, you know say rain a fall.
Girl, open the door, man.
Long time.
Can't bother with it.
Not go nowhere now.
Hello?
Wow.
Marika, alright, I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
You have to promise.
Me promise.
You sure?
Yes, man, I promise. Cross me hard up to die, stick a needle in my eye. Open the door, no, man. I think my mother say love keep up, no sure. So make it lock the door. Make it put that lock on it. Go on. I tell me, kidding man. I tell you. Every man need a little time for himself, you know. I don't know that. You know me forget to ask you. What you answer me what for? This me now? Eh? Man need time for themselves, girl. Cause when you not naga, is that a mistake and naga to and that and a man. You have to get that part there.
You say you want to ask me something. Ask me, what's your problem?
When last you talk to your father?
What you want to know that for?
Jeez, why you keep on that to me? You don't want to tell me this question? You answer me. When last you talk to your father?
I talk to my father all the time. I'm my problem.
Me don't talk about that something saying if you leave your father alone and make him stay at jail. If he stay at jail, stay at jail. And stop entertaining him and stop making him entertain you. Because I know how you stay. And
You
me
joke
know,
out me,
me not joke out here. You see, up there, so I joke yourself. So I saw me joke. If you say me joke out my mouth now, it's something different. But listen, me I say, let's make it on. Your father have a big influence on you. And me know that. So you need to leave him alone, make him spending time at jail.
Are we going to drink for the palm thing and my father topic?
I mean, no, me just come in and me say, yeah, lock me out. Tendencies start coming, mad tendency, bad tendency, negative vibes. So me I say, might as well, something, me know something that go on. Stop talking, father, please.
You can't tell me that. And what? You want to be my father?
No, you're mad that them,
You're
that
my
them
man or you're my father? Which one?
I try to be a man. But you look like you not work out because you are trying to be the man. You understand? Me not depend on that neither.
You can't tell me what to do. I'm not have to talk to my father. My father go always be my father. You're my man, stay in my man's zone, not my father's zone. What's your problem? I don't know who send you go drink it. There's a belch in your place.
You got that younger business.
No cook me sorry for you.
Exactly. You sorry for me. Eh? How one man to the road while the woman there now fixing for workless. Workless business that. Or if you have workless lifestyle for my thing. Eh?
I mean, this and the other drink. You come in here and call me what is the old and bright.
Me not call it workless, me talk behavior. You see me talk I say we all on two different page. You now listen to what me I try to say. And you think about what you think me I say. It's a big difference. Right now, I say, hey, I give me a little soup.
No soup, nothing else.
Hello.
Done.
Hello, tap the line. I'm past supermarket, so it's a lie. Lying lips are abomination unto the Lord. You never know that?
And cheating is abomination unto the Lord.
Yes, I'm glad I know that. You understand?
Glad me know that. You agree to it. That means you are cheat
You know,
for
me need to
true.
write a book about it, a book of chronicles. What you say, you have fix the soup for me, I come to funeral tomorrow. Which one?
What is another drink? If you never go out there, go drink, you would have thought this now. Go and go fix the soup yourself.
No man. You let for me? Do you listen for me?
See?
Yeah. Around do about. Let me drink more, I know I'm not on you, so I'm about to check me tonight.
When did I plan to check you tonight?
So you plan to check?
More that.
You? What about you, man?
Action. That's sounding good for. Lazy. Drink. Action.
Boy, girl,
Every day you come over, you do the same thing.
such nice and comfortable.
Anyway, Patricia, other day Ashley come over here and I tell me how your man left you and something. Me did I laugh, you know. But when she did the attack and I go on and I go create excitement and something, I feel say, so I make sure I behave so in my head. And I look upon her. You know why she go on and I create big old excitement in my head.
Alright. Make me get what you say.
So,
The man left me. And him have him faults and me have my faults. And first of all, he can't manage me.
what you mean you can't manage it?
Girl, in a year way song go.
Listen.
I will never run a man down after me no track star. A idiot boy can go on.
As one God.
And next one ban, right?
Anyways, that's a your business. So no one no gone. Still there. So
Yo, you see the girl Ashley? More while the girl move like he want me, man.
Jesus whip.
You know, I come and size up her little self like she want me, man.
I see a problem here with her when she come over me yard, you know. Yeah, every time she come up here and see the man, she'll laugh and I rub him down. Something.
That me just do tell her say. Careful of the girl dey. She will take your man on their nose.
You know, so I call my father other day. And my father said to me, say, me not fit trust friend. Because friend make me in a jail, you know. Me can't trust the girl around me, man.
Oi, what you do? I mean by your father say you not fit trust friend. So no bother with that foolishness, you know. So me want draw in a little, I don't know if you call your friend.
Girl, me not talk about you. Because when you see my man, you not
That's why you have to talk the sentence good no man. You come and talk about my father say, me not fit trust friend.
Oh, that
your
the man
friend.
say on the phone. So me I tell her exactly what a man say. Me not talk about you, me I tell her what he say.
Oh.
You understand what me say now?
Me understand
Relax
now.
your nerve, girl. You're too fussy, man.
Anyways, not trust what your father tell you, you know.
What you mean by you not trust him?
But you know fi trust friends. You know what me I go do? I gonna take my little maga self and go through the door. Because anything him tell you, you know good.
Later. Anything my father say goes. Nobody can go on that.
Who that? I'm me girl.
Oh,
Girl.
wow.
I tell her. Did I sleep last night no?
I'm gonna sleep last night.
Next day when me I say I wonder what my friend would I ever. If I pies my friend one pies.
Please, I'm gonna do something like that to you then. Me I come from primary school. Come straight up to you, a big man. I feel like some mood up as me, girl.
Girl, you say me not sleep last night. Cause I just have the mindset that I wonder if I pies my friend really want pies yesterday. That's how me feel.
Girl, me tell her say I told me did I clean the floor. I bleach and this is disinfectant did it on the floor, girl.
I say me I can't link you back this morning if you tell you cause it's that bad on me, girl. Me couldn't hold it back.
Girl, I'm glad to come over here and come here think about the whole day and I wonder if you're alright. Anyway, me have something on this and want me to handle with you. How are you gonna trust me?
Awa, you want help with?
Come on, listen. What listen? See bag there. The bag the money.
Girl, that ever do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
And yeah, it's not food, girl.
That not for the just come on.
Girl. Yeah, I'm blasted, man. Boy, you want me back. Me don't want you back.
Why you take so long?
Oh, you take so long.
What could that be? What could that be emergency now? For your yes, me so. Let off for me.
My God, this. Me never mean to do it. My God, me do for deserve this. You call me over, you have to see this back. Let me take over the body. Let me take over. You're gonna kill me. No! Yeah, I'm going to be a move. Move. If you know, you can move. I run with one. Take me slip on. Take me slip on.
I can't believe this. I don't know. No, nobody is Carl.
Hello.
Daddy.
What going?
Daddy, me just kill a girl. Me just kill somebody.
Hold on. Calm down. Hold on. Shh. No move. Yeah, them a pass. Hold on, no move. Shh. I say no. Hold on. Alright, what you say now? Talk.
Me just kill my friend.
Is the same person you tell me about?
Yes, me kill her.
So you have alpha?
Because the body in my house, I don't know what to do.
Hold on. Calm down. Wait. Hold on. Shh. Okay, man. Hold on. Let me see something. Alright, you what, man? Don't worry yourself about that. How you there? You're out there?
Give me yard.
So how you use? How you do?
Me check her say something under my count and use the pot and liquor in her head non-stop.
One lick?
No, more than one time. Daddy.
Oh, I'm not saying what do you mean, man? You have to
Daddy,
do what you have to do, you know, girl. Eh?
Yeah, laugh.
No, man, you have to do what you have to do, man. Remember say you chip off of the whole block in the man nowadays. So you say you're sure she not move nothing?
No, darling, gone. Cool.
Alright, you what I'm saying. Don't worry yourself, man. You know I'm proud of you. Anyway, when me I go do still nothing, hold on, shh. Yeah, that pass back. Shh. Hold on, don't move, don't say nothing. Anyway, you what, man, don't worry yourself. You're gonna make a phone call and so forth and just make sure you clean around the area where it happens,
Alright.
Now I send somebody come and look here. Make sure you wipe out any phone call they make to me, you know.
Yeah, me do it right
Get rid of
now.
all call. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, me go send somebody come here. Boy, I tell them man all chip off of the block.
Daddy, you take this thing for drug and kill this.
No worry yourself, man. Remember yourself. Anyway.
Hurry up because remember the public so come home. You have to hurry up.
Alright. I make a call and make a deal right away. Alright?
Hurry up, Daddy, hurry up.
Yeah, man. Alright, my girl. Hold. No, man, Daddy love you. Here.
Love you too, Daddy. Later.
Yeah.
You subscribe yet?
Alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. Alright then. Thank you for the time that you spent. Hey, you know what I mean? So guess what? Big up yourself and thanks for, you watch a movie. You know what I mean? So give thanks. You know what I mean? And yeah, she's dangerous, not true. So some things going to real life, but you know what I mean? This was just made of it, show some awareness or something like that. You know what I mean? So tell me now, should I do episode 2? It's up to you.